1060V is built for general engineering, automotive, die and mold, aerospace and medical work. It uses a fixed column design with an extra wide base. This helps absorb cutting forces, improves stability, and reduces column deflection. The result is better cutting dynamics and more consistent accuracy. The table size is 1200 by 630 millimeters, with a load capacity of 800 kilograms. The spindle is a high-precision design using angular contact bearings with spindle speeds of up to 15,000 revolutions per minute. The optional spindle chiller extends tool life and improves accuracy significantly. The ATC comes standard with 24 stations. A 30-station ATC is also available as an option. As standard, the 1060V comes with the FANUC OMI system, with a 15-inch touchscreen and 400-block look-ahead. Other brand controllers are also available. The scraper-type chip conveyor can be optioned for efficient chip removal. A host of other options and configurations are available, including 4th and 5th axis setups, making the 1060V the ultimate machining powerhouse.